Oh, we're back, baby, and we got another visitor.
Oh, great. Who's this four-eyed dork? Is that William M. Buttlicker?
False. The name is Dwight K. Schrute.
Do you sandblast, Dwight?
Before I do anything, I ask myself, would an idiot do that? And if the answer is yes, I do not do that thing. So to answer your question, no, I don't sandblast.
Oh, that is clever. So why is he here?
Mr. Dwight, is going to be giving us the sandblast tip of the week. Apparently, he's a safety expert.
Is that right?
Be nice, Sean. He is our guest.
False. I am not your guest. You are my guests. Also, don't be nice. When someone smiles at me, all I see is a chimpanzee begging for its life.
Okay, Dwight. How about the safety tip of the week?
It's better to be hurt by someone you know accidentally than by a stranger on purpose. There's your tip.
Wow. That was a useless tip. I don't mean to hurt your feelings, but do you have anything interesting or informative you could add to this episode?
Fortunately, my feelings regenerated twice the speed of a normal man's. And yes, I grew up on a farm. I have seen animals having sex in every position imaginable. Goat on chicken, chicken on goat, couple of chickens doing a goat, couple of pigs watching.
This guy's funny.
Okay, on that note, I think we will conclude this episode. Sean, whatever stupid joke you had prepared, you can save it for next week.
Your mom's a joke.
Very mature, Sean. Well, thanks for joining us today. We'll see you next time.